Have you ever stepped into a home where sunlight feels like part of the architecture? Where shadows move gently across the floor and a single courtyard breathes calm into every corner? There's something almost magical about indoor gardens and modern courtyards, small pockets of nature that transform a house into a sanctuary. Because sometimes all a home needs is one open space, one patch of green, one whisper of natural light to feel alive again. And perhaps true beauty isn't in the walls we build, but in the spaces that let light pass through modern homes today are rediscovering the quiet power of courtyards. Even in compact layouts, a small open space at the heart of a home changes everything. The air feels fresher, the rooms feel bigger, and the atmosphere becomes calmer. Paired with indoor gardens, these design elements bring a softness that modern living often lacks. Instead of relying on decor alone, the home uses nature itself as texture, colour and inspiration. It's a shift toward thoughtful simplicity, where architecture doesn't close you in, it opens you up. And in these airy transitions between indoors and outdoors, everyday life feels gentler. Before we continue, welcome to Home and Garden Tips, your space for modern design inspiration and cosy living ideas. Here we explore creative transformations, small space innovations, and nature-filled design concepts that turn ordinary homes into peaceful sanctuaries. If you love discovering how light, greenery, and textures can shape the mood of your home, we'd love for you to join our community. Now let's step deeper into the world of modern courtyards and indoor gardens, where nature meets elegant design. The essence of a modern courtyard lies in how it connects spaces. Even the smallest courtyard can become the visual anchor of a home. A place where living areas, hallways and bedrooms all open toward a shared moment of calm. Light filters in throughout the day, creating shifting patterns that make the space feel like a living artwork. You might see stone flooring paired with soft greenery, or a single sculptural tree standing in the centre of an open roof. These minimal touches offer a sense of quiet luxury, making the home feel open and intentional without needing extra square footage. Indoor gardens bring a similar magic. Placed beneath a skylight, beside a staircase, or near a warm reading nook, they soften the geometry of modern design. Plants like monstera, fiddle leaf figs, bamboo palms and ferns thrive indoors and add a lush, breathable quality to the home. Even a simple vertical garden or a cluster of potted greens can change the mood instantly. Indoor plants don't just decorate, they create atmosphere. They bring grounding energy, natural movement and a sense of comfort that turns modern minimalism into modern warmth. One of the most powerful design trends today is the use of natural light as a central feature. Instead of filling rooms with artificial brightness, homes are adding high windows, glass walls, skylights and open voids to let sunlight flow freely. This reduces energy use, brightens the interiors, and makes everything from furniture to flooring feel more vibrant. When a small courtyard is placed strategically, it becomes a source of light for multiple rooms. A simple idea with transformative impact. The home feels taller, deeper, and more peaceful. Material choices also play a huge role. Modern courtyard homes often favour textures that complement nature. Smooth concrete, warm woods, natural stone, matte blacks and earthy neutrals. These tones blend seamlessly with greenery, creating harmony between structure and softness. Linen curtains, woven rugs, ceramic planters and wooden furniture add warmth to the clean lines of modern design. The result is a balance between calm minimalism and cosy comfort. The kind of environment that feels peaceful the moment you step inside. Modern homes today aren't just about style, they're about well-being. Courtyards introduce light and airflow, reducing humidity and making rooms feel more pleasant. Year-round indoor plants purify the air and soften acoustics. Even small water features, compact benches, or pebble pathways can turn everyday moments into experiences of calm. This is design with purpose, shaping the emotional rhythm of a home, not just its appearance. As the day fades and warm evening light settles over your courtyard or indoor garden, the home takes on a different kind of glow. Shadows soften, textures deepen, and the greens become richer under ambient light. Suddenly, your small space feels luxurious, intimate, and deeply comforting. It's in these moments you realise that beauty doesn't depend on size, it depends on intention. Thank you for spending your time here today. If this journey inspired you, stay with us as we continue exploring modern spaces that breathe, bloom, and bring calm to everyday life. Because the most stunning homes aren't filled with things, they're filled with light, nature, and the feeling of being truly at peace.